This 49-inch smart TV from Samsung has a full HD resolution which provides great picture quality. The HDR feature offers clarity and details in pictures and lets you see rich colors even in dark scenes. The recommended viewing distance of this TV is 6 to 12 feet. You can enjoy streaming movies and TV shows, playing games, browsing social media on this smart TV that runs the Tizen operating system. You can download the SmartThings app in your mobile phone and use your phone as a remote. The app also allows you to cast your phone screen onto your TV easily. The TV has 2 HDMI ports and 1 USB port, allowing you to connect multiple devices like a set-top box, DVD player and pen drive. Enjoy surround sound with a 40 watts 4-channel speakers. This TV comes with brand warranty, free installation, base stand and a remote. Check the product page for attractive no-cost EMI and exchange offers and details on scheduled delivery.